All right, what we have here is a little plugin that takes the HebrewCal.com feed and JSON feed, and it allows you to use it in a shortcode within WordPress. It's relatively simple, but I didn't see a good way to take the feed that they have created and use it within WordPress. So a friend of mine and I, we wrote this little plugin. And so if you go to hebcal.com/Shabbat / CFG equals JSON ampersand zip equals and then your zip code, you'll get a feed that looks like this. Doesn't do you much good unless you have something that can parse that, and so that's exactly what our plugin does. Right here. I'm using a little extension, JSON or Chrome extension that parses this, so it makes it a little more readable. And my plugin just takes this little feed and does something with it. The different categories we can do are holidays, Rosh Chodesh, which right now it's going to return nothing because there's not a new moon this week or this week, later this month, yes. Um, you can do the candles, the candle lighting, the portion title, and then the Havdalah times, right? So one thing that's kind of interesting, so if you use this short code here to get the portion, you're going to do the parameter title, and you can get the portion and then the title. Then you can get the portion, the title in Hebrew. So this short code would look like, let's see, go over here. So we have this short code, the portion, and we want the title, and it gives it to us in English. So ki tavo. And then if you change the parameter from the title to the Hebrew, it'll give you the portion and then ki tavo. And then, like I said, Rosh Chodesh is going to be empty because there's not a new moon this month, well, not this month, this week. You have the candle lighting. One thing is kind of interesting. If you want to do candle lighting and then you go with the title, it again gives you the English that says candle lighting and then the time. And if you do candles and then param equals Hebrew, it actually doesn't give you the time, which is kind of weird. It actually just says lighting and then candles, so it says candle lighting, but it does not have the time. It's not a bug in my plugin, it's just if you actually look at the feed in here, the English gives you the time, Hebrew does not give you the time, it just says candle lighting. Not super helpful. But anyway, you can at least get the English candle lighting time, and you can get which portion of the week. So you can take those shortcodes and make good use of them. You should be able to use them within the title of a page because I've got a little code in there that does that. Or you could take them and put them in a widget if you wanted to. Real simple. Reach out to me if you have questions.